In this video, we will explore how users can sort movies in their watchlist. We will implement features to sort movies by title, year, genre, and rating. Let's create a function that allows users to sort movies based on a given criteria. Here's how you can implement it. Function sort movies with parameters movies and key. And let's switch based on a key. So switch key, case title, and case genre. Let's return movies sort A, B, and then sorting logic is A, key, local compare to B, key. And here we use the square bracket notation to access movie title or genre property. In case of year, let's return the list of movies, sort, and the sorting logic is A, year, minus B, year. And in case of rating, let's return movies, sort, A, B, and the sorting logic is B rating minus A rating. And by default, let's return an empty array. In this function, we use the spread operator to create a shallow copy of the movies array. This ensures that we do not mutate the original array. The sort method is used to sort the copied array based on the provided key. For title and genre, we use local compare to compare movie titles or genres in a case-insensitive manner. For year, movies are sorted in ascending order based on their release year. And for rating, movies are sorted in descending order based on their rating. If any invalid key is provided, we return an empty array. Next, let's update our code to display sorted movies. I noticed that we have two functions, display filtered movies and view all movies, that do similar things, display an array of movies. Let's refactor the view all movies function by adding two parameters, filter and sort key, so that we can reuse this method to display filtered and sorted movies. Function view all movies with filter all and sort key title, so the default behavior will be to display all movies sorted by title. Const filtered movies is the result of filter movies by filter, and sorted movies is the result of sorting movies with arguments filtered movies and sort key. And now if sorted movies length is 0, let's console log no movies found and return. Else, let's console log filter movies sorted by sort key. And then for print movie details with argument movie. In this function, the filter parameter allows us to filter movies based on their watch status. The sort key parameter lets us sort movies based on the specified criteria. We first filter the movies using filter movies. Then we sort the filter movies using sort movies. And finally, we display the sorted movies using print movie details. Let's test the sorting functionality along with the updated view movies function. Here is a movie watch list with test movies. And now let's view all movies. So by default, all movies are sorted by title. Let's view movies with filter all and sorted by year. And we get all movies sorted by year ascending. View movies with filter watched and sorted by genre. We get watched movies sorted by genre alphabetically. And finally, view movies unwatched and sorted by rating, we get unwatched movies sorted by rating in descending order. Congratulations on completing the entire tutorial. Throughout this journey, you've mastered essential JavaScript concepts, from the basics and control flow to working with objects, arrays, and functions. You also explored casting, equality, and applied these skills to build more complex applications through hands-on projects. Well done on your dedication and progress. Keep building on these skills and happy coding!